We'll start from the looping statement. A loop repeat a statement for a sequence of statement in multiple times. Suppose if you want to execute a statement for more than one time, then at that cases we are using looping construct. So there are three type of looping we are using. One is basic loop, for loop, while loop. So in your programming language, you have learned about uh, three type of looping construct is present. Like we are using for loop, while loop, and do while loop. But here we have basic loop. Do while loop is not present. We have basic loop, for loop, then while loop. That is used to repeat a statement in multiple time. In PLSQL, it provides several facility to structure the loop to repeat a statement, sequence of statement in multiple time. Loops are mainly used to execute the statement repeatedly until an exit condition is reached. So you have given a condition, till your condition is true, then your looping will execute. It is mandatory to have an exit condition in a loop, otherwise the loop is infinite. Okay. So if you are not giving in any kind of condition in a loop, the loop will execute for the infinite time. Okay, so at least you have to give a condition for exit the loop. Basic loop that perform repetitive action without overall condition. For loop that perform iterative action based upon a count. Okay, so it is counting the value. While loop the perform the iterative action based on a condition. The basic loop is also is working on a condition. While loop is working on a condition. For loop is working on a condition, then increment and decrement is happening. Like in other programming language, we are using for loop, while loop. Okay. The basic loop, it is a syntax for basic loop. Loop, then your statement, then exit when condition. So, when your condition is matched, then it is exit the loop, then end of the loop. The simplest form of loop statement is a basic loop which encloses a sequence of statement between the loop and end of loop keyword. Each time the flow of execution reaches the end of statement, the control is returned to the corresponding loop statement above it. The basic loop allows the execution of its statement at least one, even if the exit condition is already met upon the entering the loop. It's just like your do while loop. The difference between while loop and do while loop in a programming language is what? Now in while loop, if your condition is false, then there is no statement is executed. But in the case of do while loop, if your condition is false, at least one time the statement is executed. Similar way, in a PLSQL, basic loop is like that. That is execute the statement till if your condition is false, at least one time your statement is executed. The simplest form of loop statement is the basic loop, which encloses the sequence of statement between the loop and end. So in the loop and end, you have to mention the basic loop. Each time the flow of execution reaches the end of loop statement, the control is returned to the corresponding loop statement. The basic loop allows the execution of its statement at least once, even if the exit condition is already made. Then what is that exit statement? You can use the exit statement to terminate a loop. The control passes the next statement after the end of the statement. You can issue the exit either as an action within the if statement or standalone statement within the loop. The exit statement must be placed inside a loop. In the latter case, you can attach a when clause to enable the condition termination of the loop. Okay, so in the exit loop, we are using when. When means you have to mention a condition. So when your condition is matched, at that time, you have to exit the loop. A basic loop can contain multiple exit statements, but it is recommended that you have only one exit point. That is a example of your basic loop. That is a tax for display the value from 10 to 50 on the increment of 10, 10, 10. So declare x number 10, then it is printing you 10, x equals to 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay, so first it is printing you 10, then 10 plus 10, 20. 20 is less than 50. 20 is greater than 50, no. Then again the looping is going on. It is printing you 20. Sorry, it is increment. It is printing you 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 is greater than 50, no. Then it is printing you 30, then 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 is greater than 50, no. Then it is display 40, then 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 is greater than 50, no. Then it is printing you 50, then 50 plus 1 60. 60 is greater than 50, yes, 60 is greater than 50. Then exit. So after the exit, the x value is 60. This 5. That is printing you 10 to 50. So after exit, when it is exit the loop, the value is 60. Understood? Jira? So here we pass b dot country ID from b dot country ID is a variable. Then country underscore ID type attribute to CA. So it is retrieve all the element where country ID is CA. Then counter, we're defining one variable, counter is 1. Location is what? Montreal. That is retrieve select maximum location ID into v dot location ID from location table. So it is retrieve the maximum location ID from location table and store in a variable v underscore location ID where country ID equals to country ID. So country ID that we are passing here CA. It is retrieve the maximum location ID of a country ID CA and store in the variable v dot location ID. Then looping, insert into location, location ID, city and country ID. So it is storing the information location ID, city and country ID. Values is v dot location ID plus counter. So location ID that it is retrieved what? CA. Okay, so what are the location maximum location ID it is retrieved here, and it is added the counter. Counter we are giving as 1 1. That is ID is incremented in the 1 1 basis. Uh, Let me clear here. Suppose before that I am creating a table. Create table exact dot locations. Create table location. Add select the table is created. Now I find out the maximum location ID. Where country ID is CA. The passing country ID is CA. So what is the maximum location ID? So here your maximum location ID is 1900. So it will store the value. Okay, insert into location table, location ID, city, country ID, values. Values is country ID, v dot location ID. So your location ID is 1900 plus 1. So it is increment to 1, 1901. Then your city it is inserted as Montreal. Country ID it is inserted as CA. Then the counter is increment to 1. Exit when counter is greater than 3. Means it is inserted 1900 2 3. So when it is 4, then your looping is exit. Now check here, after executing this statement, then when I retrieve a record, see that 1900 1901 So that is a new record when inserted 2 and 3. Okay, other value are not inserted, were inserted into the only what location ID as well as the city that we are passing as Montreal, then your country ID is C. The looping is executed to the 3 times. Here we are passing a value what? Here it is retrieve the maximum location ID and store into the v dot location ID from location table. Now it is inserted to the location table. Your country ID as 1901, city, then country ID. Okay, so and values that you have to pass location ID plus counter. Counter is 1. The location ID is 1900, 1900 plus 1. Then your city is Montreal, value and country ID is CU. It is inserted in the record. Then counter value is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 2 is greater than 3. No, 2 is not greater than 3. Then again it is inserted in the record. Insert into location ID. So here your location ID is what? Your value is 1902. The similar way it is increment to 1903 and inserted the record. So your new record, 3 record is inserted here. A basic loop allows the execution of the statement until the exit the when condition is met. If the condition is placed in the loop such that it is not checked, okay, a basic loop allow the execution of a statement until the exit when clause. So till your condition is not met, your basic loop is executed. If the condition is placed in the loop such that it is not checked until after the loop statement is executed, the loop execute at least one. So if your condition is not met, if your condition is false, so at least one time your statement is executed. However, if the exit condition is placed at the top of the loop, exit condition is placed at the top of the loop before any other executable statement, and if the condition is true, the loop exit and the statement never execute. Okay, so here we are using exit statement what? At last we are using, if we are using as exit statement at first, then if your condition is false, then there is no statement is executed. If you place the exit statement at last, if your condition is false, then at least one time your statement is executed. Then while loop condition, in the while loop, first while, then condition loop. In while, first you have to give a condition. Till your condition is true, then statement within the while loop is executed. The while, then condition. You can use the while loop to repeat a sequence of statement until the controlling condition is no longer true. The condition is evaluated at the start of each iteration. The loop terminates when the condition is false or null. If condition is false or null, the start of the loop, no further iteration are performed. So no any repetition is performed. Thus, it is possible that none of the statement inside the loop are executed. The condition is what? It is a Boolean variable or expression statement. It can be one or more PLSQL statement. First, you have to give a condition whether it is true and false. So till your condition is true, then your statement is executed in the while loop. It's saying that you can use the while loop to repeat a sequence of statement. Normally, the looping is used to repeat a one statement for more than one time. The while loop is also working in that way. So you have to execute the statement more than one time till your condition is true. The condition is evaluated the start of each iteration. So every time when your repetition is started, first the condition has checked. So when condition has checked, if it is true, then statement within the loop is executed. The loop terminates when the condition is false or null. If the condition is false or null, at the start of the loop, no further iteration performed. In the basic loop, what happens if your condition is false and your exit loop is written at the end of the statement, then if your condition is false, at least one time the statement is executed. But in the while loop, if your condition is false, there is no statement is executed.